So the clock was running well, but a little bit underpowered. So I wanted to add some power to it. And really the right way to do it was with more spring. You can see the spring I had in there, the width. And I got a spring with the same thickness, but a little bit larger width. And power goes up linearly with that width. So this should be around 8% more power to that clock, which I think will be plenty enough. But as you can see, this barrel was too small, so I had to make a new one. So I thought I'd just step through how we put these holes in, because this is a little bit of a trick of how to hold this part. So you can see what I did is I made a mandrel. Then I have that barrel on. Then also I have, for a 5C collet, this block. And this makes it really handy, because I can hold the mandrel in that block, and then this gives you an easy way to index 90 degrees on any part. So these are great because you can just use standard milling and put that in your vise. Now you can see I'm using a CNC, but you could do this on a drill press or anything with this 5C block. And it's a simple process of, drill, and then just where you can take it out of the chuck and rotate, and you're 90 degrees. Now you can see those arrows I put, that's where I put a little bit of super glue under there to hold everything together. And the easy way to relieve that is I'm hitting that with a map torch and just heat that up and you burn that super glue. And then you can get everything apart. You see here, it's apart now. That's what the mandrel looked like. I had it fit in so it held right under that shelf. And you see the holes, they're in there perfect. This would be hard to do without a good way to hold on to that, index it. So it's just a nice simple method. I put it all back together, and if anything, I probably got a little bit too much power in this thing. So it seems to be running well. So what I have left now is go back and refinish. I've got to replate a couple parts that weren't right. So I hope everyone's enjoying this, and if you are, please subscribe, and we'll get more videos. Thanks very much.